Finding the ultimate gifts for gamers in 2025 can feel like an impossible boss battle, right? With countless games, consoles, and accessories, it's a double-edged master sword, making the simple task of picking the perfect present truly overwhelming. But don't worry, we've done the hard work for you, testing and compiling the absolute best gamer gifts that will level up any gaming setup this year. You'll find direct links to buy all these amazing items early in the video description, so you can snatch them up before they're gone. Number 1. PlayStation 5 Slim. This console is still reigning supreme, offering an unparalleled next-gen experience with its lightning-fast SSD and immersive DualSense controller, perfect for any serious PlayStation fan. Number 2. Xbox Series 10. For those loyal to the Green Team, the Xbox Series 10 delivers raw power and access to a massive library through Game Pass, making it an essential gift for competitive and casual players alike. Number 3. Meta Quest 3. Dive into mind-blowing virtual reality with this standalone headset, offering incredible immersion for VR gaming and experiences without needing a high-end PC. It's a game-changer for digital explorers. Number 4. Logitech G Pro X Superlight Wireless Mouse. Precision and speed are crucial for PC gamers, and this ultra-light mouse delivers, making it a professional-grade peripheral that could dramatically improve their gameplay. Number 5. Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. Give the gift of endless gaming with this subscription, providing hundreds of titles across Xbox and PC, including day-one new releases, an unbeatable value for any gamer. This list covers everything from powerful current-gen consoles to game-changing accessories and essential subscription services. These are the top gaming gifts for 2025 that any gamer would be thrilled to receive. Make sure to check out the links below to secure these incredible gaming finds today.